Hello, beautiful beacons of light. It's about time to tune in to this beautiful short podcast that Tune Up. And today we start right away with an affirmation. So if you're ready and not driving, close the eyes with me, take a breath in and out just to arrive. And follow with me silently or aloud. I am abundant. I am abundant in many ways. I am abundant in many ways. I am wholeness. I am whole. I deserve and I am worthy. Take a breath in and out. How does those affirmations sit with you? Do you fully, completely embrace them? Or do you feel there is some lack? Some beliefs to change, there's layers with layers. There we have so many thought forms and for sure patterns, beliefs that we make and let go to really reach out for the wholeness within ourselves that we deserve, that we are worthy to have abundance in many ways of joy and happiness and love, wholeness and in our well-being, and much more in the richness of source, the crispy clear light. Let's continue. We are centering ourselves by breathing in through our nose, inhaling. And bring this breath down to the sacral chakra, the energy center, the second just below the belly button. And we exhale. We are grounding ourselves in our physical body to be present and to embrace who we are right now. Does this sit for you? Inhaling and exhaling. Anchoring the presence of divine within yourself, allowing the energy to move through any and every aspect of yourself, even that part of that is made black, that is waiting for you to embrace it with love. Here we are to receive much more that goes beyond in an unlimited way. Message we receive right now: change your beliefs. Subconscious holds a lot. Changing beliefs. Changing beliefs. When we grab them, we can let go. Observing, not obsessively, but just being here and now, in the right moment, in the now, knowing that everything is playing out in divine order. Taking a breath into our beautiful heart and charging our heart center with golden light frequency to tune up our heart center that is linking to the three lower energy centers, the third, the second, the first. We have more for sure, up to the fifth, the sixth, the seventh, and the solar star. Feel right now. One more time, inhaling, exhaling, beautiful golden light, divine frequency, expanding, radiating, forward, backward, to both sides, above and below. And finishing up with the affirmation: I am ready, as I am, that I am. I am ready, I am ready, I am ready to receive that I am, that I am. Inhale and exhale, bring it down into your whole physical body. All mental aspects will follow. If there and here and now pops up some where you exactly know they don't serve me, they are not loving, embrace them with love and say goodbye. So, changing beliefs for us today. Let's tune in to see where you are right now. With much love until we see us again.